ChatGPT now remembers your life, even across chats. OpenAI has just rolled out a massive update to ChatGPT. This means that it can automatically recall your preferences, likes and dislikes, and conversation history across all chats. No more repeating yourself or starting from scratch. It listens to you silently, learns from you, and tailors conversation to be deeply about you, just like a real assistant. Unlike before, you just have to ask it. You don't need to remember, and if ever it remembers something that you might want it to forget, it's asked to erase. This is more than an update. It is a shift towards an AI that genuinely knows you. Want to live in a world where your AI truly understands you? Follow for more deep tech drops like this.